Hello everyone, how are you going? I'm sure you have already heard all about the terrible news in Ukraine. In today's video, I have a way for you to donate to the Ukrainian cause, and at the same time, Wizardia will match your donation and also give you one of their special Genesis NFTs. By the way, if you don't already know about Wizardia, check out my earlier video. Basically, it's a turn-based game, NFT game, coming out on the Solana blockchain later this month. Wizardia are offering their valuable Genesis NFTs, which, by the way, can be staked and earn you income before the game even comes out, and then once the game comes out will generate you in-game revenue. Anyway, Wizardia will match anyone's purchase up to their target 5k with their own 5k and then send a total of 10k to the Ukrainian government wallet, which they'll confirm on their Twitter account once their target has been reached with the transaction hash. So, I think this is a nice way for anyone who hasn't donated already to do so, and at the same time get one of the valuable Genesis NFTs for their upcoming game. So if you are interested in donating, you can do this by buying their Genesis NFT, and once that is done, they'll match the amount you spent on the NFT with their own money and send the total value of the NFT purchase plus their matching amount to the Ukrainian government wallet. Okay then, buying the NFT is a pretty straightforward process. Just go to the Gleam link, which I'll leave in the description. Click on the link, and there you'll be taken to their website, where you can purchase the NFT on the Binance Smart Chain. By the way, if you are unsure on how to do this, please watch my previous video, which goes into detail on how to set up a wallet. After that, simply fill out what you can on their Gleam application, and then you're all done. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope you can enjoy your new Genesis NFT and feel good about yourself for donating toward a good cause. Good luck everyone, and bye for now.